Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Whatever happens, happens, as they say. Timer on. Finger on the switches for the rest of it. Ready?
Ready.
Power. Okay. Back to 60. Legs flaps up, right turn bank, hold. I'll check my trim in a moment. Thumbs on the sticks. Signal good. About 60, 65 power. Check trim. Yeah. There's a little bit of right aileron. Holding. And leveling now. Back to about 50 power.
7 minutes.
Trying to find a nice steady line. Trim feels a little bit iffy. Bit of thermal.
Yeah, there is.
That's the bump. Right turn coming up now. Try and hold on the horizon. Keep it steady. Definitely some bumpy stuff. There's something crawling across the back of my head, hence the wobbly picture. Right again. Holding. Track across the horizon. Try to. Okay, a little bit of left. Camera shadow. Left level. About 55 power. What's the trim like? Okay.
I think so. Look out on
6
your
minutes.
right.
Oh, hey, I got to look all the way back for that. Cool. We'll go with the right hand drift. Got to close it slightly. A little bit sketchy there. Try and keep it inside that road line. And we'll go carry on with this line. Leveling gently now. Yeah, it's like I'm on a seesaw.
Yeah, there's a bit of a
Little
bump.
Yeah. When it cools off, that'll go about 45 minutes time. About 50, 60 power. Yeah, very fun, funny. Tickle left, holding. Now bumpy. There's a farmer down the field.
5
Nice.
minutes.
Working over a bit of nature back into the ground. Holding this line. Right level now.
Have a look on your
Out to about 60.
have a look on your right again.
Nope. Oh, he's back there. Okay, yeah. Very good. I'm going to take a left-hander in a moment.
A left.
Yeah, left turn. Now. Holding. Horizon. Pull back. Try and hold that like that. It's okay, but I don't like the bump. It's the wobble.
Yeah, it's more difficult following with the bump.
Yeah. It's like your plane's got a warped wing.
Yeah.
Right, straight and level. Check power about 50, 60. Not sure my trim, my elevator. Could just be my throttle stick, not holding position. I did check it though, they took the back off the radio and gave a little bit more friction to the old smooth ratchet thing. Right turn, gentle, holding. You got a time on your screen, Andy?
Yeah, we're all good, yeah.
Okay.
We're at 23 volts.
I think we should do a low pass.
Okay, try and keep it to the height where I can still be underneath it if you can.
Okay, so like what, 20 foot?
Yeah.
Right, coming back to 40 power, over this tree line, holding level.
Might be
power,
difficult.
it's about 25 there.
Oh,
What happened?
When you drop the power,
Okay.
then got very close.
Gentle right turn at 30 power.
3
Try and keep it steady.
minutes.
Just letting it drop down over the gates.
About that height, Phil, to be honest, no
Okay,
lower.
good. Right.
Oh, that's
Right side of the patch.
That sun is right.
We've got wiggle room, a little bit of power, 45. Hold level. 45. 50-ish. Well, more power, 50, 60, 70. Gentle right turn now. Peel it away. Ah, 2 shadows, cool. Let's chase ourselves. Keep the power on, stay over these trees.
I was going to say,
Yeah,
it starts to get tricky
shadows.
following
Yeah.
when you're low, because I'm having to look at trees as well as you know. I wouldn't want lower than that, to be honest.
that's 60 power
2
there.
minutes.
Creeping the power up. Getting a bit more height for an approach. 2 more minutes to play with, but
Oh, you did set a timer.
yeah. Just I ignore it when I'm flying.
Okay. I've got voltage rather than timer, so that gives me an indication.
I'm about 70 there, climbing gently, I think. Left turn steady now. Come on, over the top. That's it. Keep the line on. Birdie's down there. Shadows might catch up in a moment. Or not, because they're too high. I think they're in front of us. Level there. Throttle back a touch. About 50 power. Nose dropping down to see the horizon. Hello, green and pleasant land.
1 minute.
Bit of blue there too. Cool. Tickle right coming up. And now. Hold. I'd look back there, couldn't see him.
I'm behind you. It's
Yeah.
I'd try and do a bit of
Leveling out.
side by side, but it's just a bit too blowy for that.
So we've got a gentle breeze to our right, haven't we? Should we land from the left?
30 seconds.
I would land from the right.
Okay, let's stick with that. Banking right for approach.
20
Over the tree line.
seconds.
There's the gate. I go for my half flap now and legs. Right turn.
10,
Keep my height on.
9,
So I want to drop in, use that speed for the
7,
approach.
6, 5,
I've got half flap. You full flap?
3.
Full flap, I
Okay,
do.
I'm going for full flap.
Timer
Now.
1 elapsed.
Nose down, throttling back. That might be a little too steep. Going around. My mistake. Half flap holding. Okay, let's think. Oh, something to chase.
I'm going to bring mine down now.
Did you see my legs come down?
Yeah, legs
Okay,
came down
that's good
fine.
because I got a sticky leg. You on full flap?
Yeah, full flap.
Okay. A little bit of stall there, but that felt pretty good. Man, it's been a while since I got one down in one piece.
Yeah, it is tricky.
Flaps away.
Flaps away.
I'm going to try and taxi right in front of you.
Okay.
Got some nose leg movement, not a lot. My timer switch is the same switch, so when I put my timer on, I lose movement on the rudder and the nose leg. Okay. Coming back to the gluing station, which happens to be the red box. Oh look, Domino's. Not sponsored yet. That's a shame. And there's another red thing. One piece.
One
Hey.
piece. Good flight.
Super cool. Signing off.